So I'd like to do some extra examples from 7.2 as well. The first ones are going to be finding exact value problems. Okay, so tangent of 5 pi over 12. So I'm going to leave my tangent, okay, and then I'm going to think of two things that add up to 5 pi over 12. So naturally, I think of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 make up 5. And 3 over 12 can be reduced, and so can 2 over 12. So I think, alright, that's probably going to work. And it's 3 pi over 12 plus 2 pi over 12. And those reduce to pi over 4 and pi over 6, which are both numbers I can find on the chart. So tan of pi over 4, tan of pi over 6, those are going to be on the chart. So then I use my identities and I write that out as tan pi over 4 plus tan pi over 6 divided by 1 minus tan pi over 4 tan pi over 6. Tan pi over 4 is 1. Tan pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 3. 1 minus tan pi over 4 is 1 times root 3 over 3. These I get from the chart. Okay, so then if I multiply these both by like 3 over 3 to get rid of the fraction, the 3 would go into here and here. I'd get 3 plus root 3, because this 3 is going to cancel here, and then 3 minus root 3, because that 3 is going to cancel with that. And that's my answer. You can reduce that more to get the, that would be fine for me. You could reduce that more to get the root 3 out of the bottom. But I'm just going to leave it like that. And the other one I wanted to do was sine negative pi over 12. So it's going to be a minus. So I'm going to have a sine, and then I'm going to have two things minus each other. So I could actually just use those values I just had, 3 pi over 12 and 2 pi over 12, and reverse them. 2 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12 is going to get me, 2 pi minus 3 pi is going to give me negative pi. So then I write that out, sine 2 pi, oh, got to reduce first. 2 pi over 12 is pi over 6, minus 3 pi over 12 is pi over 4. So sine pi over 6, cosine pi over 4, minus cosine pi over 6. Sine pi over 4. And sine pi over 6 is 1/2 if you look it up on the chart. Cosine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. Minus cosine pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. Sine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. These again are all from the chart. And then I'm going to multiply out. So the common denominator is going to be 4. Root 2, 1 times root 2 is root 2, minus root 3 times root 3 is root 6 over 4. And you can write that all as root 2 minus root 6 over 4.